How to fix EA app connection failed on mobile. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to present you a short mobile tutorial to fix EA app connection failed. So first of all, you need to go ahead and restart your phone. Simply but often works, so power off and on. Then after you can check your internet connection. So use Wi-Fi over mobile data if possible and try loading a website to test the connection. You can also try clearing the EA app cache. For that, tap and hold on to this application. Tap on this eye icon to go to App Info. Scroll down and tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. You can also try reinstalling the application. For that, you need to tap and hold on to it, tap on uninstall, tap on OK to confirm, and reinstall it using your Play Store, App Store, or its website. And if you're using VPN or proxy, simply disable it as VPN can block EA service. And also do not forget to update or reinstall the EA application. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.